You showed me how to walk with grace, to fold my hands and seek His face, to live the truth, to guide with love, just like my Father above. I want to love like my Father does. Kindness strong and full of trust. You lead me close to God each day while how you teach me grace, you teach me truth, you teach me how to follow you. To speak with care, you walk with heart, you play your role and put it on. Was alone.